Apple India likely to invest at Kopparthi in Kadapa district and generate at least 50,000 employment. Discussions are in progress with the company, informed the Minister of Industries Mekapati Gautam Reddy. He said that there are 6 factories in China for the Apple company where the employees is between 1 lakh to 6 lakh at each manufacturing unit. The government of Andhra Pradesh is also negotiating with the company to encourage them to establish such a huge manufacturing unit in the state. When asked about the worth of the investment of the project, he said that it would be decided in the coming days. At the same time, he also reacted to the bulk drug park to be established in the state and said that it will create employment to lack of youth. The major pharma companies have been expressing willingness to invest in Andhra Pradesh once the project is finalized. He said that the government will allocate the land to the company only after providing 100% of infrastructure like drainage, water, road connectivity, electricity and other essentials. He said that the YSRCP government would not come out of false memorandums of understandings for the sake of publicity, like what the previous TDP government did. He said that the worth of the MOU entered by the CM and Chandrababu Naidu stood around rupees 32 crore, but only rupees 50,000 crore were released. The only major company bought by the TDP government was Kia car manufacturing company, that too at the cost of heavy subsidies burden on the state exchequer. The minister added that the present government would not encourage such MOUs, but those who are interested will be given all the permissions in a time-bound manner and ask them to establish the companies and produce the products.